Engine diagnosis. Course overview. Effective engine diagnosis is essential for identifying and resolving problems in vehicles, ensuring that they run smoothly and efficiently. This lesson will focus on common engine problems, their symptoms, and how to diagnose them using various diagnostic tools and equipment. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the typical engine issues encountered in the automotive field and how to approach diagnosing and resolving them. Common engine problems and symptoms. Engine diagnostics starts with recognizing the symptoms of common issues. These symptoms can often be observed during regular vehicle operation, but they can also be identified during routine maintenance or diagnostic procedures. Common engine problems and symptoms. Engine misfire. Symptoms are rough idling, hesitation, loss of power, and poor acceleration. Possible causes: faulty spark plugs, worn ignition coils, a clogged fuel injector, or a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor. Overheating engine. Symptoms are high temperature gauge readings, steam or coolant leaking from the engine, and a hot engine smell. Possible causes: low coolant levels, a broken thermostat, a malfunctioning water pump, or a damaged radiator. Poor fuel economy. Symptoms: the vehicle consumes more fuel than usual, requiring more frequent refueling. Possible causes: faulty oxygen sensors, clogged fuel injectors, incorrect tire pressure, or a malfunctioning engine control unit, ECU. Excessive smoke from exhaust. Symptoms: white, blue, or black smoke coming from the exhaust pipe. White smoke may indicate coolant leakage into the combustion chamber. Blue smoke often indicates oil burning due to worn valve seals or piston rings. Black smoke typically suggests an overly rich fuel mixture. Possible causes: leaking head gasket, worn piston rings, or a malfunctioning fuel system. Engine knock or pinging. Symptoms: a metallic knocking or pinging noise when accelerating or during heavy load. Possible causes: low-quality fuel, incorrect ignition timing, carbon buildup on the pistons, or worn spark plugs. Rough idling. Symptoms: the engine runs unevenly at idle, with vibrations or a fluctuating RPM gauge. Possible causes: faulty idle air control valve, dirty fuel injectors, or a vacuum leak in the intake system. Check engine light. Symptoms: the check engine light on the dashboard illuminates, indicating a potential issue. Possible causes: a range of issues, including malfunctioning sensors, misfiring, or emissions problems. Diagnostic approach. Start by gathering information about the symptoms from the vehicle owner or driver. Use a systematic approach to isolate the root cause of the issue, checking the most common causes first. Using diagnostic tools and equipment. Modern engines rely on complex systems that can be diagnosed with specialized tools. Using the correct diagnostic equipment is crucial for pinpointing engine issues and confirming suspicions about potential causes. Diagnostic tools. OBD2 scanner. Function. An OBD2 scanner is used to retrieve error codes from the vehicle's onboard computer. It helps identify issues with engine sensors, the ignition system, fuel system, and emissions control systems. How to use. Plug the OBD2 scanner into the vehicle's diagnostic port. This is usually located under the dashboard, and read the error codes. Common codes include P0300, which means misfire, and P0420, which means catalytic converter efficiency. Benefit. Quick and effective way to identify malfunctioning systems and components. Compression tester. Function. A compression tester measures the compression levels of each cylinder in the engine. Low compression in one or more cylinders may indicate issues like worn piston rings, valve leaks, or a blown head gasket. How to use. Remove the spark plug from the cylinder, attach the compression tester, and crank the engine. Record the readings from each cylinder and compare them to the manufacturer's specifications. Benefit. Helps identify internal engine problems related to compression. Vacuum gauge. Function. A vacuum gauge measures the vacuum pressure in the intake manifold, which is useful for diagnosing a variety of engine problems, including vacuum leaks, exhaust restrictions, and ignition timing issues. How to use. Attach the vacuum gauge to the intake manifold, start the engine and observe the gauge readings. A steady, normal reading typically indicates a healthy engine. Benefit: provides insights into engine performance and helps identify problems like air intake leaks or clogged exhaust. Fuel pressure gauge. Function: this tool measures the pressure of fuel being delivered to the engine. Low fuel pressure can result in poor engine performance, rough idling, or misfires. How to use: connect the fuel pressure gauge to the fuel rail or port, start the engine, and check the fuel pressure against manufacturer specifications. Benefit: allows you to assess fuel system performance and diagnose issues like a clogged fuel filter or failing fuel pump. Carbon monoxide meter. Function: a CO meter detects the levels of carbon monoxide in the exhaust, which can help identify issues with the combustion process, such as incomplete combustion or a malfunctioning catalytic converter. How to use: attach the CO meter to the exhaust pipe, start the engine, and monitor the CO levels. Benefit: provides important diagnostic information regarding the engine's efficiency and emissions. Diagnostic flowchart for common issues. Step 1. Check for codes using an OBD2 scanner. Step 2. Conduct visual inspections for obvious issues. Step 3. Perform functional tests. Step 4. Review test results and compare them to manufacturer specifications. Step 5. Identify and repair the faulty components. Conclusion and recap. In this lesson, we explored the basics of engine diagnosis, including common engine problems and their symptoms. We also discussed the diagnostic tools and equipment used to identify and resolve engine issues. By using the right tools and following a systematic approach, you can accurately diagnose engine problems and perform effective repairs.